Hello everyone, welcome back to AMG Cloud. In this video, we are going to practice 6 questions on AWS Solutions Architect. Okay, so without any delay, let us begin with the question. So, this is our first question. A leading media company wants to do an accelerated online migration of hundreds of terabytes of files from their on-premises data center to Amazon S3 and then establish a mechanism to access the migrated data for ongoing updates from the on-premises applications. As a solution architect, which of the following would you select as the most performant solution for the given use case? Let us see the options. This is the first option. This is the second option. This is the third option. And this is the fourth option. You will have 10 seconds to answer this question. If you need some more time to answer this question, you can pause the video and then start it, as this question is a bit big. So let us start the timer. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. First answer: use file gateway configuration of AWS storage gateway to migrate data to Amazon S3 and then use S3 transfer acceleration for ongoing updates from the on-premises applications. So this is our first option. While file gateway can transfer files, it's not optimized for large-scale data migrations. S3 transfer acceleration can speed up transfers over long distances, but it's not the best for ongoing updates and migration in this scenario. Let us see the second option. Use AWS Data Sync to migrate existing data to Amazon S3 as well as access the S3 data for ongoing updates. So this option, let us see the explanation. Data Sync is excellent for migrating data, but it's not designed to keep providing access to the data on an ongoing basis once the migration is complete, right? So this is also the wrong answer. So option 1, option 2, both are wrong answers. Let us see for option 4. Use S3 transfer acceleration to migrate existing data to Amazon S3 and then use data sync for ongoing updates from the on-premises applications. Okay. S3 transfer acceleration is designed to speed up internet transfers, but it's not the best solution for migrating large amounts of data. Also, data sync is more suitable for migrations rather than handling ongoing updates once the data is in S3. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Let us see option 3. Use AWS Data Sync to migrate existing data to Amazon S3 and then use File Gateway to retain access to the migrated data for ongoing updates from the on-premises applications. So this option, let us see. Data Sync is built for the fast, large-scale data transfers. Once the data is in S3, File Gateway allows on-premises applications to continue accessing and updating the data seamlessly, making this the most efficient solution. So, what is our correct answer? Correct answer is option 3. Next question. A developer in your team has set up a classic 3-tier architecture composed of an application load balancer, an auto-scaling group managing a fleet of EC2 instances, and then an Aurora database. As a solutions architect, you would like to adhere to the security pillar of the well-architect framework. How do you configure the security group of the Aurora database to only allow traffic coming from the EC2 instances? So there are 4 options. Option 1 is this is option 2, this is option 3, and this is option 4. So 10 seconds, time starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. So option 1, which is add a rule authorizing the Aurora Security Group, is incorrect because authorizing the Aurora Security Group doesn't control incoming traffic. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Option 2, add a rule authorizing the ELB Security Group, is incorrect because authorizing the ELB Security Group allows traffic from the load balancer, not just the EC2 instances. So this is also the wrong answer. Option 3, add a rule authorizing the EC2 security group, is correct because authorizing the EC2 security group allows only traffic from the EC2 instances to reach the Aurora database. Okay. Option 4, add a rule authorizing the ASG subnets CIDR, is incorrect because authorizing the ASG subnets CDIR allows traffic from any IP in that range, not just the EC2 instances. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. At end, the correct answer is option 3, add a rule authorizing the EC2 security group. Next question. Question 3. An application is deployed on multiple AWS regions and accessed from around the world. The application exposes static public IP addresses. Some users are experiencing poor performance when accessing the application over the internet. What should a solutions architect recommend to reduce internet latency? Now there are 4 options. This is option 1, option 2, option 3 and option 4. You have 10 seconds. Time up. Option 1, set up an Amazon Route 53G proximity routing policy to route traffic, is incorrect because it routes traffic based on geolocation, not latency. Option 2, set up an Amazon CloudFront distribution to access an application, is incorrect because it's a content delivery network, not a latency reduction solution. Okay, so this is also incorrect. Option 4, set up AWS Direct Connect locations in multiple regions, is incorrect because it's for dedicated network connections, not latency reduction. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 3, set up AWS Global Accelerator and add endpoints, is correct because it reduces latency by optimizing traffic routing and providing a fixed entry point. Okay, so this is the correct answer, which is option number 3. Now, next question. A company has some statistical data stored in an Amazon RDS database. The company wants to allow users to access this information using an API. A solutions architect must create a solution that allows sporadic access to the data, ranging from no requests to large bursts of traffic. Which solution should the solutions architect suggest? There are 4 options. This is option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Timer starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, set up an Amazon API gateway and use Amazon ECS, is incorrect because ECS requires container management and scaling, adding complexity. Okay. Option 3, set up an Amazon API gateway and use AWS Elastic Beanstalk, is incorrect because Elastic Beanstalk is for web apps, not sporadic API traffic. Okay, this is also the wrong answer. Option 4, set up an Amazon API gateway and use Amazon EC2 with autoscaling, is incorrect because it requires provisioning and scaling management, adding complexity. Right? Let us see option 2. Set up an Amazon API gateway and use AWS Lambda functions, is correct because Lambda handles sudden spikes in traffic without provisioning or scaling worries. Right? So our option 2 is the correct answer. Next question. An application uses a MySQL database running on an Amazon EC2 instance. The application generates high I/O and constant writes to a single table on the database. Which Amazon EBS volume type will provide the most consistent performance and low latency? 4 options. This is option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Timer starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, throughput optimized HDD, which is ST1. Option 3, cold HDD SC1. Cold HDD is incorrect because it's for infrequent access, not high IO workloads. Okay, so this is also the wrong answer. Option 4, general purpose SSD GP2, which is incorrect because it's for balanced workloads, not high IO. Okay, wrong answer. Let's see option 2, provisioned IOPS SSD IO1 is correct because it provides consistent performance and low latency for high IO workloads. Okay, so option 2 is the correct answer. Next, a solutions architect needs to upload a large 2 GB file to an S3 bucket. What is the recommended way to upload a single large file to an S3 bucket? There are 4 options. Option 1, option 2, option 3 and option 4. Okay. Your timer starts now. Time up. Now let us analyze the answers. Option 1, use Amazon Snowball is incorrect because it's used for transferring large amounts of data to AWS, not uploading single files. Okay. Option 3, use a single put request to upload a large file is incorrect because it's not recommended for large files as it can time out or fail. Okay, wrong answer. Option 4, use AWS import export is incorrect because it's used for transferring large data sets to AWS, not uploading single files. So wrong answer. Option 2, use multi-part upload is correct because it's designed for uploading large files, allowing you to break the file into smaller parts and upload them separately. Okay, so option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so congratulations, you have successfully answered 6 questions. Please tell us in the comments how many questions you have answered correctly. So yes, that's it for today's video. I'll meet you in the next session with another set of questions. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing and keep enjoying. Thank you and bye-bye.